12 economics past question number 13. The major function of the money markets is to, option A says, to provide funds for long-term financing, provide funds for short-term financing, stabilize the value of the local currency, stabilize domestic prices. The following are the functions of the money markets. They are as follows: to invest profitably, to finance industry, to finance trade, to enhance commercial banks' self-sufficiency, to lubricate central bank policies. So option B is right option. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.